Hi guys, I hope you're having a lovely day. Welcome to my channel. You are gonna learn how to cut a tall cake in this video. That's right, cut a tall cake like a pro. To watch the trailer with lyrics, check out my reel on Instagram. I assure you it's really cute. Okay, enough with the jokes now. Let's get on with it. This cake is filled with all things yummy. A rich chocolate cake, a raspberry ganache filling, a delicious raspberry compote covered in a dark chocolate ganache and then finished with a raw textured edge. All ganache, may I add, so none of the nasties, structurally designed for those who do not enjoy fondant. All you need is an empty tray or plate, a chopping board or an extra plate, damp tissues and hot water if accessible in a jar, but the most important is the right knife. It has to be large and sharp. Take out any decorations on the top or sides of the cake, giving you enough room to cut. Wipe your hot knife first, then cut down firmly in one go, around 1-inch thickness. Slice under the cake to release. Remember that these cakes have a thick center dowel that is attached to the cake board. Not in this one though, as this was created for demonstration purposes only. Using your chopping board as support, tip the cake over onto the board. Take out any skewers as you go. Most of my cakes will have at least 4 skewers in each tier, so watch out for them as you cut. I cut 2 even-sized slices for the end piece, about 1 inch apart. Then I flip the board and cut once down the center, giving you 6 portions. This is a 5-inch cake. I will be able to cut around 10 dessert slices or 20 coffee serves as demonstrated today. You will get most amount of slices and even-sized portions cutting your cake this way. You can always cut a little smaller or larger as you like, depending on the crowd. You can now transfer this to a serving tray or plate. The center slice is always the largest in a round cake. You can get more pieces out of this one. I cut it the same way I did the first slice, as this is only a 5-inch cake. You can always go back and cut the larger pieces into 2. It is easier to cut when your cake is cold, but always serve your cake at room temperature. When you reach the end, watch out as the cake is getting skinnier. It loses its support as you cut. So keep that in mind to avoid it from tipping over, especially when you're not ready. And there you have it, equally sized portions, ready to be served. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Follow my channel and definitely follow me on Instagram if you would like to see more of my work.